If you want more customers, more sales, and more consistent results for your business or brand, then you absolutely need to understand what a marketing funnel is. But not just any funnel, the funnel that actually works. Today, stick with me and I'll show you how this powerful tool can transform your business forever. So what exactly is a marketing funnel? Think of it as your customer's GPS. It's not just a fancy term. It's a visual map of the journey your customer takes from the moment they have no idea you exist all the way to becoming a loyal fan and repeat buyer. It's the complete journey, step by step, in a format we can understand and, most importantly, optimize. Why is a funnel? Well, because just like a physical funnel, it starts wide, attracting a large number of people, and gradually narrows, filtering and qualifying until you reach your ideal customers. The simplest way is to look at your business and understand how do your customers find you and what path do they follow: attract, engage, convert, and elevate or retain. The first step is attract. Today, it's not enough to just get traffic. You need the right traffic. It's about quality, not just quantity. And the good news is, with the right tools, you can identify and focus on your warm leads from the get-go. Instead of just chasing clicks, focus on intent-based traffic. This means understanding what your ideal customers is actively searching for. Once the lead has arrived at your website, profile, landing page, the next step is engage. And here we're looking for a micro commitment. If you're selling a low priced item like an ebook, the action could be the purchase. If it's a complex service, it could be downloading a valuable resource, signing up for a webinar, or scheduling a demo call. The key here is to encourage them to take the next logical step in the relationship, whether it's exchanging their email for content, participating in a live session, or even agreeing to a follow-up meeting. At this stage, your lead moves from cold to warm. They know you and are showing interest. Before you ask for anything, provide immense value. Offer free tools, insightful guides, or mini courses. This builds trust and positions you as an authority, making them more likely to take that micro commitment when you eventually ask. Now that you have warm and engaged leads, it's time to move to convert. Yes, the number of people might have decreased a lot, but it's at this stage that you continue to nurture, offer value, answer questions, and of course, make your core offer. If you have built the relationship well, up to this point, the purchase should feel like the natural desired next step for a customer. When they buy, they become a hot customer. And then, congratulations. Implement personalized conversion paths. Don't treat all warm leads the same. Use segmentation to understand their specific needs and tailor your offers accordingly. A personalized email or a customized demo can significantly boost conversion rates compared to a generic approach. And we arrive at the final and perhaps most crucial stage for long-term success: elevate, or as I like to call it, retain. The sale isn't the end. It's the beginning of a new relationship. The first 24 to 48 hours after purchase are critical. Deliver more value, offer a surprise, follow up, or provide a bonus. Transform your customer into a brand evangelist, someone who will refer you to friends, family, and even strangers. This is how you build a thriving, sustainable business. Embrace proactive customer success. Don't wait for issues. Offer tutorials. Invite them to an exclusive community. This is not only reduce buyer remorse, but also creates a positive feedback loop. The beauty of the funnel is that it makes everything tangible. You can see exactly where the bottlenecks are, where people are getting stuck, and you can optimize each stage to create a system that generates leads, convert them into customers, and turn those customers into loyal fans. It's a really powerful and really strong tool for your business. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and let's discuss in the comments below.